Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Lucid app to schedule EV charging by Tariff. Complete guide step by step clearly. Open the Lucid app on your smartphone. Log into your account using your credentials. Navigate to the main dashboard. Locate the settings icon, usually found in the top right corner. Tap on settings to enter the configuration menu. Scroll down to find the charging section. Select charging schedule from the options available. You will see an option for tariff settings. Tap on it. Choose your electricity tariff plan from the list provided. If your plan isn't listed, select custom plan to input your own rates. Enter the peak and off-peak rates according to your electric utility. Set the charging times to align with your tariff schedule. Make sure to specify the start and end times for charging. You may also want to set a limit on maximum charging power if available. Review your settings to ensure accuracy. Once everything is confirmed, tap Save to apply the settings. You should now see a summary of your charging schedule. Exit the settings menu to return to the main dashboard. Your Lucid app is now configured to schedule EV charging according to your tariff plan. Check back periodically to make adjustments if any rates or schedules change. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.